To better the day, I never came back to end of the day. I wear brown. I don't want red. I want brown. Maganda yung brown. Parang walang lipstick ka lang. Ganun siya guys. Ganun. Kailangan. Tapos gamit tayo nito guys. Tresemme keratin. Thank you for the likes. 1 like. And I live my life because I have to go somewhere. Chara, hello. Thank you, Chara. You did the like. Thank you for the like. Athalia, hello. Si Awa. Hello. Hello, Athalia. Si Awa eh, Athalia. Si Awa. Chara. I become a sugar mommy of Athalia. You don't have school? I go to the parlor because I need to fix my hair. I go out today. I go to the parlor because my cousin make the color of my hair, but look what is like brown, black brown. So I need to go to fix it. She didn't do well. So I have to do. And maybe I cut my hair shorter because it's summer. I will see my hair. You're sure? Yeah. You make me laugh, Atulia. I will be back soon. Take care. Bye. Okay, I live my live like green screen live because I'm not here in a while. I just put picture of mine on my live because you know why, I need my watch hour. That's why I leave my live unattended but it's still live. Now I've got more than 2,000. So I have to work for it. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Atolia. Bye-bye. Thank you, Atolia. Bye-bye. I have a big sunglasses to protect my eyes from the sun. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for coming my live.